Hey guys, BigDaddyHoffman1911 coming to you with a shotgun. I love a shotgun. So buddy, what do you got in that box there?
We're always looking for a good deal, and we found this at the SHOT Show this year. These are the Emperor shotguns, and this is the MX5. They come in a bunch of different formats, and this is the first one we got in. They come in a hard case. I don't know if that'll continue to be the case, but well under $400 in the $350 range. You know, you're going to get a 28-inch barrel with all your chokes in there. They got to take the Benelli chokes, anodized aluminum. They come in a walnut, come in just standard polymer. And I just want to do a quick unboxing so you can see what you'd get. Emperor firearms, very, very lightweight. This would make a great little skeet gun or bird hunting gun, I guess. Bird.
What's the barrel length on this one?
28.
28. Sort of looks like my Flanagan Winchester, right?
I think that's the idea. So you got a fiber optic front sight. You've got a bead here. Nice finish on it. I mean, it's really hard to believe that you can get something like this in the $350 range, you know?
Yeah.
There's a little nubbin right there that fits in. Make sure that. There you go. Well, there's a there's your limiter. That, you know how many times, you know, a lot of shotguns will come with this installed.
Oh yeah.
You know, a lot of guys will think that they only get 3 shells in there, so make sure you take these out. Unless you're going duck hunting or goose hunting or something like that requires you to have that limiter in there. There you go. There it is. It should just start clicking. There you go. It's super lightweight, nice looking shotgun. Does have that little button right there. So what we're gonna do is, even though it's raining outside, we're gonna put some shells in there, and we're gonna see how it cycles. There's a bet of whether or not it's gonna work. I think it's gonna work flawlessly. Nice shotgun. Very lightweight.
Okay.
Very pointable.
Alright.
Alright.
Let's load it up. Alright guys, we're getting ready to go outside in the rain, and we're using some Winchester AA, 1250 feet per second, 8 shot, 3 dram. And we're going to see if it functions in this nice new shotgun. Let's do it.
Alright, the things I'll do for you guys. Standing in the rain. Alright. Ready?
Hoorah!
Sweet.
Do it again.
I'm gonna let Jess do it.
You're gonna get your camera wet, buddy.
Yeah, I know. Alright, Jess. Let her rip.
That is a heck of a shotgun for the money.
It is for the money. Under 400, right?
Yeah, more like 350.
Sweet.
I
like
it.
that.
And it's red.
Gotta have one.
And then the walnut one is beautiful.
Cool deal. We'll show you those later. Alright, let's go back in.
Okay.